Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where timeless elegance meets endless inspiration. Today, we invite you to explore a world where creativity, craftsmanship, and imagination come together to celebrate the beauty of extraordinary interior spaces. Every remarkable design begins with a vision, and every detail contributes to creating an atmosphere that feels welcoming, sophisticated, and unforgettable. Luxury is more than the materials we choose or the size of a space. It is about balance, harmony, comfort, and the emotions a beautifully designed environment can inspire. Thoughtful planning, refined aesthetics, and attention to every detail transform ordinary surroundings into places that leave a lasting impression. As you enjoy this visual journey, take a moment to appreciate how lighting, textures, proportions, and elegant finishes work together to create a sense of warmth and grandeur. Great design is not simply about following trends, it is about creating spaces that remain beautiful and functional for years to come. Every element has a purpose, contributing to an experience that is both inviting and inspiring. Whether you're searching for fresh ideas for your next project or simply enjoy discovering luxurious interiors from around the world, we hope this showcase sparks your imagination and encourages you to think beyond the ordinary. Inspiration can come from unexpected places, and every beautiful space reminds us that thoughtful design has the power to transform everyday living. Thank you for joining us on another inspiring journey with Modern Homes and Gardens. If you enjoy exploring luxurious architecture, elegant interiors, creative home decor ideas, and timeless design inspiration, be sure to support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with friends and family, and subscribing for more captivating content. Your support motivates us to continue bringing you exceptional design ideas from around the world. Stay inspired, stay creative, and we'll see you in our next video here on Modern Homes and Gardens.